about your situation.
My name's Eric. My wife and I, Ashley, purchased a property in northern Michigan. We set out to build our dream and our future up there, and we needed to complete the renovation of our house in northern Kentucky, to sell that, take the proceeds to enjoy our journey going north. So as we came back down and started working, we decided that we had done a lot of work to the house. We made a lot of improvement. There was still work to be done on the house, but we felt that we were in a place that we wanted to see what type of offer we could get. We felt like we needed to cut ties and start moving forward. So on the internet, found We Buy Homes, filled out a quick survey online, received a prompt phone call from Eric Stanio. We got connected, we had some discussion, he came to the house, took a few pictures, and we've sold the house, and we're looking forward to moving to Michigan.
Great. Would you refer us to someone else who needs to sell their home?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great trip to Michigan.
Super, thank you.